Talking about problems with internet. Hi, Emily. You look worried.
Hi, Michael. Yes, I am worried.
What is the problem?
My internet is very slow today.
Oh no, that is not good.
I cannot watch my lesson videos.
That is frustrating.
Yes, I feel upset.
Is the Wi-Fi light on?
Yes, but it is weak.
Did you restart the router?
No, not yet.
Try restarting it.
Okay, I will try now.
Sometimes it helps.
I hope so.
Do you use mobile data?
Sometimes, but it is expensive.
I understand.
The internet was fine yesterday.
Maybe many people use it now.
Yes, maybe.
Can you study offline?
A little, but not much.
You can read your notes.
That is a good idea.
Stay calm. It will work soon.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
I feel better now.
Good. Do not worry too much.
I will wait and try again.
Tell me if it works.
Okay, I will.
Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
We all have internet problems.
Yes, that is true.
You are not alone.
That makes me smile.
See? Stay positive. Talking about using a mobile phone. Hi, Emily. What are you doing?
Hi, Michael. I am using my phone.
What do you use it for?
I use it to learn English.
That is great.
I watch short videos.
Do you like learning on phone?
Yes, it is easy and fun.
I also use my phone.
What do you use it for?
I listen to English audio.
That helps speaking.
Yes, very much.
Do you use apps?
Yes, simple learning apps.
I like word games.
Games are good for learning.
I also send messages in English.
That is good practice.
Sometimes I make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
That makes me happy.
Do not be afraid.
I will try more.
Good idea.
How long do you use your phone?
About 1 hour a day.
That is healthy.
Yes, too much is bad.
I agree.
Do you rest your eyes?
Yes, I take breaks.
Very smart.
Thank you.
Phones are tools.
Yes, we must use them well.
Learning is a good use.
I feel motivated.
Me too.
Let's keep practicing.
Talking about safety and rules. Hi, Emily. Can I ask something?
Sure, Michael.
Do you follow safety rules?
Yes, I try my best.
That is good.
Safety is important.
What rules do you follow?
I look both ways before crossing.
Very good.
I also wear a seatbelt.
That is smart.
What about you?
I follow road rules.
Like traffic lights?
Yes, red means stop.
Green means go.
Exactly.
Do you use a helmet?
Yes, when I ride a bike.
That protects your head.
Yes, it does.
At home, I lock doors.
That keeps you safe.
I do not talk to strangers online.
That is very important.
My parents tell me that.
Good advice.
Rules help us stay safe.
Yes, they are helpful.
Sometimes rules feel strict.
But they protect us.
You are right.
Safety comes first.
Always.
I feel safe talking about this.
Me too.
Let's follow rules every day.
Yes, for a better life.
Talking about weather problems. Hi, Emily. How is the weather?
Hi, Michael. It is very hot today.
Yes, I feel the heat.
I feel tired.
Hot weather is hard.
I drink a lot of water.
That is good. What about you?
I stay inside.
That helps. Yesterday was windy.
Yes, very windy.
My door was moving.
My windows were noisy.
Weather can change fast.
Yes, it can.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes, but not heavy rain.
Heavy rain causes problems
Roads get wet.
and slippery.
Cold weather is also hard.
Yes, I wear warm clothes.
Weather affects our day.
That is true.
We must be ready.
Always check the weather.
Good idea.
Weather apps help.
Yes, they do.
I hope tomorrow is nice.
Me too.
Not too hot.
Not too cold.
Just perfect.
Let's hope so.
Talking about making new friends. Hi, Emily. You look happy.
Hi, Michael. I met a new friend.
Really? That is nice.
Yes, her name is Anna.
Where did you meet her?
At the park.
That is great.
We talked and laughed.
Making friends is good.
Yes, I feel excited.
Was she kind?
Yes, very kind.
That is important.
She likes learning English too.
You can practice together.
Yes, we plan to meet again.
That sounds fun.
Making friends feels good.
It makes life better.
Sometimes I feel shy.
That is normal.
I smile and say hello.
That is a good start.
Do you make new friends?
Yes, slowly.
Slowly is okay.
Quality friends matter.
I agree.
Be yourself.
I will.
Friends like real people.
Thank you for the advice.
Anytime.
I feel confident now.
That is great.
I will talk more.
Good luck. Talking about health. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Michael. I feel okay.
Just okay?
I feel a little tired.
Did you sleep well?
Not really.
Sleep is important.
Yes, I know.
Do you eat healthy food?
I try to.
Fruits and vegetables help.
I like apples.
Apples are good.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
That is healthy.
Exercise gives energy.
I want more energy.
Start with small steps.
Like short walks?
Yes, exactly.
I can do that.
Drink enough water.
I will remember.
Health is very important.
Yes, without health, nothing works.
Listen to your body.
I will rest today.
Good choice.
Thank you for caring.
You're welcome.
I feel supported.
That makes me happy.
Let's stay healthy.
Together. Talking about sports. Hi, Emily. Do you like sports?
Hi, Michael. Yes, I like sports.
Which sport do you like?
I like badminton.
That is fun.
What about you?
I like football.
Do you play often?
Yes, on weekends.
That sounds fun.
Sports keep us active.
Yes, and happy.
Do you watch sports?
Sometimes on TV.
Watching is exciting.
Playing is better.
I agree.
Sports teach teamwork.
And discipline.
I feel relaxed after playing.
Me too.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, always.
That is nice.
Sports bring people together.
I like that.
We should play someday.
That would be fun.
Let's plan it.
Okay.
Stay active and healthy.
Yes, sports help a lot.
Keep moving.
I will.
Talking about friendship. Hi, Emily. What is friendship to you?
Hi, Michael. Friendship is care.
That is nice.
Friends support each other.
Yes, in good and bad times.
Friends listen.
And understand.
I value honest friends.
Me too.
Friends make life brighter.
That is true.
Do you have close friends?
Yes, a few.
Few good friends are enough.
Quality matters.
Friends respect each other.
Respect is important.
We help friends grow.
And learn.
Friendship needs time.
And patience.
Sometimes friends disagree.
That is normal.
Talking helps.
Communication is key.
I feel lucky to have friends.
Me too.
Friendship makes us strong.
Yes, together.
Thank you for being my friend.
Thank you too. Talking about classmates. Hi, Emily. How are your classmates?
Hi, Michael. They are nice.
That is good.
We study together.
Studying together helps.
Yes, we share ideas.
Do you help each other?
Yes, always.
That builds teamwork.
Some classmates are very friendly.
Friendly people make class fun.
We talk in English.
Good practice.
Sometimes someone is shy.
We should support them.
Yes, everyone learns differently.
That is true.
Classmates motivate me.
That is great.
Group work is helpful.
Yes, we learn faster.
I enjoy my class.
Enjoying class is important.
We respect each other.
Respect creates a good class.
I feel comfortable.
That helps learning.
I like my classmates.
Me too. Talking about favorite subject. Hi, Emily. What is your favorite subject?
Hi, Michael. My favorite subject is English.
Really? That is great.
Yes, I enjoy learning it.
What do you like about it?
I like speaking and listening.
English opens many doors.
Yes, it helps communication.
Do you like grammar?
A little.
Vocabulary is fun too.
Yes, learning new words.
Practice makes it easier.
I practice every day.
That is why you improve.
Thank you.
What other subjects do you like?
I like history.
History is interesting.
English is still my favorite.
Learning English is useful.
Yes, for travel and work.
And making friends.
Exactly.
Keep learning.
I will.
You are doing great.
That motivates me.
Never stop practicing.